Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool like zoom and fade video I guess transition on CapCut PC. So you have like your clips ready and like parted into like a few bits like so. Then go and select the black stock video from library and make it so that it covers the whole thing, and I'm just going to make it just a little smaller. Then you're going to add in 3 keyframes but on the opacity mode. So here add a keyframe and then one kind of in the middle, and lastly add another one here. In the beginning of the keyframe put it at 0, and also at the end put it at 0, and make sure that the opacity at the beginning, in the middle is at 100, like that. And you're just going to copy and paste it to all of it, but make sure that keyframe is in the middle like so. And one more I think should be placed here. Okay, next you're going to select your videos and you're going to add a keyframe at the beginning and at the end, and you're going to want to scale it. Okay, you can't really see it, so just press this hide first, and then you are going to scale your videos just a little bit. Okay, I think that was a little bit too much, maybe like 110%, and you're going to do it to all of your clips. Just add in a keyframe at the beginning and at the end. I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit though, and also here you can like actually type it in if that's easier for you. Again here, and then again here. And once you're done, you make sure to not hide this. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!